I'm Komela Sutton. We are here at the 18th International Conference of Vedic Astrology, and with me is Pandit Sanjay Rath, who is our main keynote speaker for this conference. Hello, Sanjay.
Hello.
So welcome.
Thank you.
And we were just wanting to discuss about the 2017 conference, and our subject for the 2017 conference is Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, and specifically the idea came from the workshop that Pandit Sanjay Rath is doing, which is on the Navamsa. And so we want to discuss, Sanjay ji, that next year, what are the things that you're going to introduce and the special topics you will be talking about?
The Navamsa, as you mentioned, is going to be the main workshop in which basically we will be studying the entire Navamsa, complete overview, and particularly with a focus to the four aims of life, which is the theme of the workshop, theme of the entire conference, right? Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. And so Navamsa has to deal with this, and Navamsa is the destiny chart. Unless we study destiny chart, we really don't know what's happening in the Rashi. So we'll be going into quite a lot of detail of the Navamsa.
And you were saying that you're going to teach us some, secret calculations and different way of doing Navamsa. So could you say a little bit about that?
Yes, the standard Navamsa is the Parashara Navamsa, which the calculation is based on the Parivriti system, and that is the standard Navamsa, which we will be, of course, learning and doing. There is, of course, the Nadi Navamsa, which I will go in slightly more detail into. The calculations are different, and you will see that a whole different meaning will come to the chart because it's a different kind of a chart. And so we'll be learning about that. And in addition, we will be learning about little things, like, for example, if the sun is in Aries Navamsa, it shows danger to father, or the father may have died before you were born. And or if moon is there, your mother could have died before you were born. Now, little things like that, but how to see in whose chart it is happening and in whose chart it is not happening. So we'll have to link it back to the Rashi chart. And little things, small things which make such a big difference to the entire understanding and manifestation of the...
So I suppose what you're going to be explaining to us is the small concepts of interpretation that people get wrong.
That's right.
Because what happens is that we read from the classics, but the classics were never meant to be just read. They were meant to be taught through the gurus.
That's exactly.
And so that is, I think that is your strength as well.
Exactly.
Because you don't just look at why the yoga is, why is it formed, what are the special qualities in anything. So Navamsa is going to be our main topic, but then throughout the conference we will be talking about different concepts, including Sanjay ji's keynote address, and other speakers will be there. We will be taking different aspects of the four aims of life and talking about that.
Exactly. In fact, in the conference, I intend to talk about the different types of moksha, the Salokya moksha, the Sarishta moksha, all those Sayujya moksha. So what are these types of mokshas and what tattvas are they associated with? Is there a way to see that in the Navamsa charts and in the Rashi charts?
So the average person thinks there's just moksha, but what we are going to be looking at is all the different levels of moksha, and not just what they are, but how to study them in the Jyotish chart.
Correct.
That is the main thing about Jyotish, because Jyotish is light. And how do we bring light out so that people can understand where they are in their path of this journey? And there is no better interpreter, I should say, than Sanjay. And many of our teachers, we will have Andrew Foss and Sarbani Rath and many other new teachers, myself. But we have that passion and higher knowledge that we hope to bring to all of you.
And so this is the open invitation to everybody. Please come and join us and be a part and make this conference a big success next year. It's starting on Akshaya Tritiya, which is a very auspicious day. It's barely going to be there for about 4-6 days. I know you can get recordings, but nothing like learning directly from the teachers.
Yeah. So our dates are last week of April, and it's going to be in London, and the website is bava.org. Thank you.
Thank you.